Amplifier and amplifier for Igor Radio RY6 Nikolai frequency now 144,465. But some continuous power is. To measure power will be used. Bird. From the full deviation scale of 1 kilowatt. Load. And also kilowatt oil bird. "38 continuously, here fans start working at temperature of 45 degrees. But intensively, that is, there is a PWM, which, depending on the temperature, changes the fan power. That is, when the amplifier has not heated up to 40 to 45 degree, it does not work. Practically, so as not to suck in dust and not to do all this nonsense. Here 24.8 and now the top consumption. Well, the cycle itself consumes somewhere milliampere, probably 500. Well, and there it turns out 24 with something, that is, the efficiency is about 75%. This is a very good result. Here we warmed it up a little, the fan has already started. Well, now we will switch to another mode. We will go to the telegraph. Well, so it works on the telegraph. Now I will show protection. That is, if something happened to your antenna for some hiking or other reasons, then the protection will work, but they, sometimes purely by the VSWR, sometimes by all parameters. For this you need to turn off the amplifier, turn it on again. And so the reset will occur. Earlier I did it to remove power, but then I came to the conclusion that this is all too much, so you can also now jerk in the new version purely with a switch. Without removing the power. Well, that's it, they started working again and there are no problems here. Now I will show how the indicator works in the phone. That is, here the pick factor is like this. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3. There's a microphone 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. Yes, that's definitely a microphone interference. I'm at least hanging myself here, but it doesn't help much. That's what I forgot to say. It seems like that's it. That's the end.